Here, the application includes no overlap, but the pace is too slow to reach ideal full coverage. Here, the application includes no overlap, but the pace is too fast to reach ideal full coverage. In this demonstration, the applicator has used the best speed and a 50% overlap to achieve the ideal full coverage. Correct coverage rate is a combination of the appropriate installation conditions and the ideal combination of pace of spray and overlap. Please refer to the label and/or installation instructions included in the TPO or EPDM application guides on jm.com.